In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to automatically generate YouTube subtitle, also known as closed caption. So you must have seen a video like this on YouTube that whenever you play them, let's use this as a case study. Whenever you play them, you see something like the subtitle under them, something like this you are seeing here. Now, these were not typed, neither did I give it out to a writer to help me write them. However, there's a way you can automatically do that on your YouTube page automatically to your video. Okay, so without wasting time, this is what you need to do. The first thing you need to do is to upload. Of course, you want to upload your video. Then you click upload the file. You go to the location you intend to upload the video from, and then you select. In our case, we intend to upload this video. How to delete the Facebook page. Now, this is the video we intend to upload. You double click or upload, whichever way. Now we quickly do all the setup, description. Let's quickly type in the description. So after typing in your description, then you want to maybe select a playlist where video belong. Basically, all we are doing is just setting up our page. So the most important thing here is to choose a particular language which you want YouTube to interpret your video audio to. Now, without the language, it will be difficult for YouTube to know what language you intend to interpret them to. Okay, so in the video I created, basically I use the United Kingdom. So I'm going to choose United Kingdom English, and then I'm going to just leave this as none. All of these, again, they are not as important, just leave them. And every other settings is as you wish to. Then you might want to choose a thumbnail for your video. In my case, I usually upload my customized thumbnail, so you might need to check my video on how to create a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. All right, so I'm going to look for the thumbnail now. For this particular video I created, how to delete a Facebook page. So this is the thumbnail. Nearly you upload the thumbnail, it appears here. So now when you click next, it's asking us to add a subtitle. No, we don't have a subtitle. In this case, as you have already typed subtitle for your video, you can upload here. But in this case, we want YouTube to do it for us, and it's usually even perfect. So we're going to just say next, and then copyright issue, no issue found in the video, fine. So we're going to say next again, and then instead of public, usually if you want to post, you put public because you want it to show up to everybody that is following you or that is subscribed to your page. So but we don't want that yet. We want it to be unlisted. So we're going to save, and then we are going to, depending on how big your video is, you might need to wait for a while. So you're just going to save and leave it for a while, and go chill out, do something else, and wait. Okay, this is our video here, the one we put unlisted. We can observe that here. If we click on subtitle, for example, here now, and on this video you discover that we have one here. The reason why we have one language, because we chose United Kingdom, right? The English United Kingdom video, that is the video language. Now YouTube has not generated a subtitle for us as of now, so we still need to wait a while and see what happens next. Okay, so once you are back, you want to observe that we still have one here. So let's refresh and see the difference. Okay, good. You can observe that we now have two here. So what we want to do is, if you leave this thing like this and publish like this, it will mean that the video is now going to be with the subtitle that is automatically generated with Google. But what we intend to do is to duplicate this and try to edit before we cannot make it official, right? so that we get to have a say as to what to be corrected and all of that, because there might be some little correction. So we have to duplicate this, and then it will be placed according to the timeline, and you want to play it and then see maybe it follows what you've recorded, and then you might need to just make some changes, just correct. Almost everything here is good to go, just little changes. Okay, so once you are done editing all of these things, again, don't tamper this too much, because most times what that would mean is that you might be saying something and then this will bring out something else. So we don't want that. So once we are done, we just need to click on publish. Okay, so we are going to refresh this place and see. Okay, observe that we now have 3 here. Now the reason why we have 3 here is because after YouTube must have substituted it for us, we can't just leave it that way. We need to duplicate, and that duplicate make it 3. We now edited the duplicate, which is now the actual one we are using. So that is how you create a subtitle for your video. Now let's go back to our dashboard. To all our video, like our channel. Okay, so we have the video here. If you observe, it's still unlisted. Remember, we click on videos here, so we now have unlisted there. We want it to be listed, so we're going to click on listed, and then we're going to make it public, and then we're going to publish it from here. So once you publish it from there, and then you go back to your channel, then we now have all the video. Now you can now see it 7 seconds ago. So if you play this video now, you can now see that we have a subtitle attached to the video, and this is how you create your subtitle. Now let's increase the volume a little to see. But at some point you don't need the page and they intend to delete them. Then so everything is looking good. So that is how you create your subtitle or closed caption. You can see it here, closed caption. All right, thank you guys for checking up. You might want to subscribe to our page if you are new, for further content and more amazing content on this channel. Thank you.